Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's transforming the way we create content. AI-generated blog posts. If you're a blogger, a marketer, or even a business owner, you're going to want to stick around for this one. AI is changing the game, making content creation faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let's get into how this all works and what it means for you. So, what exactly is AI-generated content? Well, it's any text, image, or media created by algorithms rather than a human author. Sounds futuristic, right? These AI algorithms sift through enormous amounts of data, learn patterns, and then generate content based on specific rules or models. Think of it as having a super intelligent assistant who does the heavy lifting for you. AI can do some pretty amazing things like automating research and summarization. Imagine this, you need to write a blog post, but instead of spending hours reading articles and gathering data, an AI tool does it for you. It scans hundreds of sources, picks out the most relevant information, and gives you a concise summary. It's like having an assistant who reads everything so you don't have to. Then there's natural language generation, or NLG. This is where AI really starts to shine. NLG algorithms can create human-like text by understanding context, grammar, and even tone. Whether you need a formal blog post or something more conversational, AI can adapt to your needs. Now, let's talk about some of the AI tools that are out there. First up is GPT-3. You've probably heard of it. It's one of the most powerful language models around. You give it a prompt, and it can generate anything from a full article to just an introduction or conclusion. It's like having a co-writer who's always ready to jump in. Another tool is ContentBot. Check out the link in the description down below. This AI is versatile, capable of creating blog posts, product descriptions, and even social media content. What's cool about ContentBot is its ability to match your desired tone, whether you want something informative, persuasive, or lighthearted. Then we have WordTune, which acts more like an editor. It suggests alternative phrasings, improves readability, and enhances the overall quality of your writing. Imagine having a second pair of eyes on your work, catching things you might have missed. Don't forget about SEO optimization tools. These AI-driven tools analyze keywords and help you rank higher in search engines by optimizing your content. And if you're dealing with long articles, text summarizers can condense them into quick, easy-to-read overviews. So, what are the benefits of using AI for your blog posts? First off, there's the time savings. AI can reduce the time you spend on research, writing, and editing. It's also great for maintaining consistency across multiple posts and scaling up your content production without needing to hire extra writers. Plus, AI can generate content in multiple languages, making it easier to reach a global audience. But there are some considerations to keep in mind. Quality control is essential. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. You'll need to oversee the content to ensure it's accurate, relevant, and coherent. There's also the ethical aspect. Make sure you're not plagiarizing and be transparent about when content is AI generated. And finally, remember that AI, as amazing as it is, still lacks true creativity. It works off patterns from existing data, so the human touch is still crucial. So, as promised in the beginning of this video, let's talk about the different ways you can make money from your AI-generated content. One of the most straightforward methods is through ad revenue. By consistently publishing high-quality blog posts, you can attract a steady stream of visitors to your site. Once you've built up enough traffic, you can start earning from ad networks like Google AdSense. The key here is volume. AI helps you produce content more efficiently, allowing you to cover a wide range of topics and attract diverse audiences. Another effective approach is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services in your blog posts and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. With AI-generated content, you can quickly create detailed product reviews, comparison articles, or best-of lists, which are perfect for affiliate marketing. The more targeted and valuable your content, the higher your chances of conversions. Then there's sponsored content. As your blog grows, brands may approach you to write posts that promote their products or services. With AI, you can scale up your content creation and accommodate more sponsorship opportunities, thus increasing your earnings. Now let's look at an actual example. One successful strategy is the content mill approach used by companies like the HoTH. The HoTH is an SEO and content creation service that uses AI to generate blog posts for clients. They offer packages where clients can order bulk content tailored to their specific needs, whether it's for a business website, a personal blog, or even social media. By leveraging AI tools, the HOTH can produce content at scale, allowing them to offer competitive pricing while maintaining profit margins. This model not only helps them generate consistent revenue, but also caters to a broad market. If you're thinking of starting your own content service, AI can be your secret weapon to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Another example is a niche blog strategy used by individuals like Tom Dupuis, the creator of Online Media Masters. Tom uses AI to help generate content for his blog, which focuses on WordPress and SEO tips. By targeting a specific niche, Tom has been able to establish himself as an authority in the space. He monetizes his blog through a combination of affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and online courses. What's interesting about Tom's approach is how AI allows him to stay ahead in a competitive niche by consistently publishing in-depth SEO-optimized posts. This not only drives traffic but also increases his affiliate sales and attracts more sponsorships. So, if you have expertise in a particular area, AI can help you dominate your niche by enabling you to create more content faster. So there you have it. AI-generated blog posts can be a powerful tool for making money online. Whether you're running a content mill like the HOTH or focusing on a specific niche like Tom Dupuis, AI can help you scale up your efforts, attract more visitors, and ultimately boost your income. The key is to leverage AI's strengths while still adding your own unique value. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you some new ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.